Welcome to Eurodreams YouTube channel, dear Eurodreamers. Today we are back with a very important update, a news for which we all have been waiting for since a very long time. Most of the Italian public universities have opened their pre-enrollment applications. Now, as our study in Italy aspirants or would-be study in Italy aspirants might already be knowing that pre-enrollment is the second most essential step of your study in Italy process. Once you're done receiving your admission letter or a place in some university's program, English program I would say, then you have to go for the pre-enrollment process. Pre-enrollment is basically the enrollment with the Italian public university, which is done via the official website of Italian Ministry of University and Research. The website is Universitali website, and that is where you complete your pre-enrollment procedure. Now, widely speaking, pre-enrollment is not just about registering and generating your pre-enrollment summary on the Universitali portal, but it consists of a lot many steps because pre-enrollment is your first step towards the visa process. It is with the pre-enrollment summary only that you become eligible to apply for a Schengen student visa. So, to successfully complete the entire pre-enrollment process, there is a lot many documentation process also going on alongside the website registration, such as the apostille, legalization, translation and declaration of value of your documents. Honestly speaking, it's a little lethargic process to get all these documents processed by the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce, then the Italian Embassy or the Italian consulates and the Ministry of External Affairs in India. You don't have to worry, right? Because you have us. You have Eurodreams to help you with this entire process. Yes, we provide complete pre-enrollment services wherein we complete the pre-enrollment procedure on the Universitali portal. Alongside, we get all your documentations processed well in time so that you're all prepared and set to apply for that visa successfully. But, what if you haven't received your admission letter so far? Don't worry, we have a solution for that as well. Some Italian public universities are still accepting applications. There are certain ways in which you can apply to certain universities and get an acceptance letter pretty quickly as well. So you can register with us for that also. If you don't have an admission letter, we'll first help you with the admission letter with an acceptance at some Italian public university, and then we can move further for the pre-enrollment process. Now, there is no unanimous deadline for the pre-enrollment process. Every university has a separate deadline, but largely speaking, most of the universities present you with a deadline of August last week to complete your pre-enrollment. But certain universities like Padua, etc. have an earlier deadline as well. So it's always best to secure your admission on time and get done with the pre-enrollment so that you don't miss the deadline and there are no later negative consequences of the same. After the pre-enrollment and at times along with the pre-enrollment, you also get your scholarship process done. And once your summary is generated in around a week's time or even at a month's time after completing the pre-enrollment process, you start your visa process. So you don't have to worry about that as well. We at Eurodreams help you with your scholarship and the visa process as well. So contact us today to get either your pre-enrollment done or your admission and pre-enrollment done, or your admission, pre-enrollment, scholarship and visa, the entire process done diligently and with perfection. We'll see you in Italy soon, Eurodreamers. Fly high!